Here's a problem inside Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. I have this clip, this one and this one. If I click here, then both of them are selected, the video and the audio. But if I click over that clip, only the video is selected, not the audio. Here, video and audio is selected. And by the way, this has a letter V at the end of the file name. This does not have a letter V, and this also has a letter V. So what's the difference? If I even split it, let's say S is my splitting hotkey, the default one is Ctrl K. So if I split this one, it splits both the audio and video. Let's undo it. Okay, if I go there and split it, it splits only the top one. And that one splits both of them. Okay, so how to split both of them together? The answer is you have to select both of them, right click on any of them and link them together. Okay, and after linking it, now it has a letter V there. And now if I click there, both of them are selected and both of them are split together. Now this one, since already has a V, now it does not have a link, but it has an unlink. If you unlink it, then you can move separately the audio and the video. Take care, it's cutting off other clips also. Okay, so make sure you are selecting both of them and link them together. The bad part is that you cannot do it for multiple files. So if this one is unlinked and that one is unlinked also, you cannot select multiple files and you cannot link them. It says unlink. It can be done from here, from clip and link, but since two are selected, you cannot link them. So Ctrl L is the hotkey. So let's try that one. Select that one, Ctrl L on the keyboard. It has a V because it's linked. Ctrl L, and that one is linked also.